It is easier to get a promotion as a female in corporate than as a male.
Wrong.
It is wrong.
No.
ऐसी जगह है जहाँ ऐसा होता है.
Why? Give me a data point.
normal.
I think that was love, guys. Coldplay के concert में जाके तो तुम नहीं करोगे ना.
A 1 on 10 guy instantly becomes a 10 on 10 if he has a fat bank balance. That
this-
is true.
I'm dying
That
to hear
is
that.
No.
so true.
If guys का only motive in life is to earn money and be better than all of the men out there, then is it not fair for women to like them for their money?
No, the reason being, I'll be a little more philosophical.
It's always कि वो mental pressure तो रहता है कि men compare men. It's like a measuring competition.
Girls always expect a man to pay on the first date.
No.
No, that is not true. That is not
Liar.
bare minimum.
If it is bare minimum for us, why split for you?
Depends. If that guy asked me out, I would rather split than paying the whole bill.
If you asked another guy, then who would pay? Even if the date went
No,
horrible.
I would split the bill.
And if it went well?
Yeah, I would not mind.
The हिचकिचाहट on
No,
her
no, no.
face.
If a girl earns more in a relationship, it usually never works.
I think that's true. Patriarchy.
So are we? Are
Yeah.
we supporting male
Patriarchy.
dominance here?
Omkar is a mic drop. Welcome guys to another round table. पिछले बार हम लोगों ने millennial versus Gen Z किया था. This time we have Gen Z girls versus Gen Z boys. We have Arjita, Sanika, Omkar फिर से आ गया है, and me, Vismay. Welcome to another podcast, guys. So guys, today we are going to discuss about money, relationship, your relationship with money, and overall career around boys and girls कैसे revolve करती हैं, what are the myths that we have, and what are some of the very bitter stereotypes that there are in the society. ठीक है?
मजा आएगा.
All right, I'll start with the first question. Girls save more money, but boys are better at investing.
True.
False.
True.
I
think it's
don't
true.
do both. So
Yeah, because I can't save,
yeah, same.
so
cannot
I can't
save.
invest.
Yeah. As
So,
simple as
no.
that.
How, why no?
Because
Because-
I am so pathetic at saving.
Yeah.
So if I can't save, how can I invest?
But don't you think like take it from an angle of your mother? Mothers are
मतलब,
really good at
are we
saving
talking
and
about Gen Z girls save
Yeah,
better, or are
exactly.
we talking
Why are
about
we-
women save better?
Let's keep it women-centric.
Yeah, then maybe because our mothers are the ones who households
I believe because they did not get enough exposure to investing and stuff. Because nobody told them, nobody guided them. That's why they just kept on saving the money.
so that just crippled down on you guys also.
Actually, I don't
Unfortunately
even.
not.
Yeah, I don't even save money. I cannot save. That is one.
But the
very-
contrary is true, no? कि boys are better at investing.
No.
Why?
Why is that? तुम्हारे लिए वो ऐसा है कि तुम सेव नहीं कर सकते हो, बट हम बेटर इन्वेस्ट करते हैं ना.
Why? Give me a data point. No. Is
I
this
don't
a?
have one right now.
So how do I agree with you? Then?
Yeah, exactly.
So if you see overall जितने भी finance channels हो गए या overall the finance industry in general is more male dominated right now. Fortunately or unfortunately, I cannot say that. But
Patriarchy.
So are we? Yeah, are
Yeah.
we supporting male
Patriarchy.
dominance here?
no, I'm not supporting male dominance. What I'm saying is कि men are just better at investing, which is why they are more exposed to finance in general.
No, she
They
was
are more
asking about the data points. Like, tell us.
They're more exposed to finance. That's why they might be better at investing.
Hmm.
Huh.
So, bas, that might be, but yeah, I think that is true actually.
Yeah.
Moving on to number 2. Boys are more likely to brag about money on social media than girls.
100% true.
100%.
That is true.
I
Yeah,
think
that is-
for
I think yes,
men
that
to
is true.
succeed, the only criteria is कि rise हो जाओ, so then you'll get
Exactly,
everything.
exactly.
Like लड़की चाहिए rise बनो, ये चाहिए rise बनो.
तो रईस बनो. मतलब हाँ यार, मतलब जितनी भी बार whenever I open Instagram, ठीक है, I don't care about. I guess women care more about कि मैं किस ट्रिप पे गई, मैं कहाँ गई, मैंने कहाँ स्पेंड किया.
Outfit.
So, but
and-
I
yeah.
think this is more patriarchal like that, no? कि you are the head of the family, you're supposed to earn. तो वो इतना ingrained हो
हाँ,
गया
वो
है.
mental pressure
That
तो
is
the
why it's the money
mindset, I
angle.
believe.
Yeah.
So it's always कि वो mental pressure तो रहता है कि men compare men. It's like a measuring competition.
That is actually true. Not to lie.
Men compared.
No, men
No.
men don't compare. men compare money.
मतलब
Okay.
it's everything is a competition for us. We have to be kind of delusional every time we see Instagram like ये मेरे से better कर रहा है, I'll outdo him.
Yeah, that's true. I'll give you a very relevant example. जब लड़के शादी करने वाले होते हैं and supposedly if it's a love marriage, usually they see कि अगर लड़की का भाई है तो वो क्या स्टेटस पे है. अगर उसकी कोई
What?
बहन है, उसकी शादी अगर हुई है तो जो लड़का आया, जो दामाद आया घर में, उसका क्या स्टेटस है. और मुझे उससे बेटर होना है. Whoever the next person getting married, the male, the next guy is better at it.
And this is true for all men.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's true
yeah.
for all men.
It goes in households also. Like मेरे को मेरे बाप से अमीर बनना है. And
Actually, yes, that is
and
true.
even there is one very interesting story where a marriage was cancelled just because उस बंदे का credit score खराब था.
I saw that.
Like
yeah,
really, like
No, but-
marriage was called off.
So, do you guys also compare yourselves with successful women or no? मतलब, if you're getting married to a girl and उसकी बहन is फटे तक रईस and very successful in her own
That's
self.
every boy's wet dream to marry a very rich girl.
No, it's about comparing.
हाँ,
Whether you
मतलब
guys
if you're
compare.
comparing yourself with her husband or the sister's husband, do you also compare yourself with the sister? Or will you be like, okay, she's successful, I don't
Yeah.
matter.
Nah, I
none
don't
of
think
my-
it's with the sister.
Yeah.
It's just with the status overall. कि मुझे better होना है.
हाँ.
I want to be more rich. I want to, or probably look more rich.
Look, more rich.
So guys, earn your own sugar, be your own daddy. Okay, next question. Girls shop to cope with stress. Boys spend impulsively to impress others.
Ooh.
Very
I'd like
contradicting.
to hear your voice.
Yeah, opinions of views.
I guess men just foolishly spend their adult money because दिया ही इतना कम जाता है, फिर जब मिलता है तो हम लाइक कि ये लूंगा वो लूंगा सब लूंगा भाई. And it's just कि craving of कि I'll get all of my own things and keep it and play with it. It's just boys spending foolishly. You might have seen अगर तो boyfriends है तुम्हारे, they might spend on like the most stupidest things.
No, but I think that is also me because as a bachpan mein, you don't have the opportunity to buy all the toys and all the stupid shit that you can.
Yeah.
So for now, if I just see anything that day, I saw a Barbie जो soap dispenser थी. I bought her. So
Also true
That
for
is-
men, I think. कि if you see a 40-year-old man or a 60-year-old man for that matter, I know हर एज ग्रुप के मतलब हर डेकेड के men want a PS5.
Yes.
If there is a new PS6 coming in, they would want a new PS6.
और सोने पे सुहागा अगर उसकी बंदी लेके दे दे तो.
Actually, yes.
और लाइक इसमें दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. हर एज ग्रुप के मेन यू हैव सीन जब भी अपनी पहली गाड़ी लेते हैं उसके बाद जब भी वो गाड़ी बंद करके कहीं वॉक पे वो फिर से मुड़ के देखता है और फिर से मुड़ और
Actually,
एक बार
yes.
देखता है.
Yes, that's true.
दिख तो बढ़िया रही है. और वो इतना ख्याल रखेगा अपनी गाड़ी का या अपने प्राइस स्टूपिड परचेसेस का, मतलब बाकी सब चीज को इग्नोर कर देगा, उसको एकदम टॉप मेंटेनेंस.
That's
I don't think women shop only to cope. मतलब ऐसे बहुत सारी मूवीज में वो दिखाते हैं कि शॉपिंग इज थेरेपी. तो आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट ऐसे
For me, it is like that only. Like my coping mechanism is shopping. Whenever I'm feeling thoda sa anxious or stressed, I shop.
But I also do think women also spend more on self-care.
Yeah, that is so true.
Like a lot. Like much of their impulse buy goes in self-care. Or might be गाड़ी लेना है, ये लेना है, वो लेना है.
define self-care.
so I have these IKEA के candles like that are like
Same.
they look like
Same.
candles but they're not candles.
Yeah.
Only because I can look at them and they'll make me feel nice. And I have all those face rollers जो ice वाले हैं. I have serums, I have that jade roller, everything. So I buy everything that will make me feel better.
About myself.
What is self-care for you, Arjita?
Same actually. Skincare especially, and apart from that, candles and basically aesthetic stuff. Yes.
Bath and Body Works.
Yo.
You have a girlfriend.
Chalo, okay. Next question. For girls, a 1 on 10 guy instantly becomes a 10 on 10 if he has a fat bank balance?
I'm dying to hear
That
this.
is true.
I'm dying
That
to hear
is
No.
that. answer.
so true.
No, okay,
No,
okay.
it-
Hold
I-
on.
yeah.
Ki, is the bank balance his or is it his father's?
His,
Or
It's
his,
his.
his.
okay, then yeah.
I believe
Matlab self-made man, I
No.
would appreciate so much. But
that is true, but if he's misogynist,
oh,
No, but one second. The first part of the question was if he's a 1 on 10 guy.
1 on
1
10.
on 10,
Yeah.
no. He's still a 1 on 10.
1 on 10 is 1 on 10. Matlab it might increase by like 2 on 10 if he's well behaved and wo sab. Matlab just say if he's a 1 on 10 guy and he's extremely humble and all that, but he is extremely loaded. So then I would think it yaar theek hai acha laka hai. Par 10 on 10.
Do you
to nahi
think
ban
like
sakta.
if rich, like 1 on 10 guy, 1 on 10 rich guy would keep you just as a showpiece?
So,
Like a
trophy
treatment,
wife.
trophy wife.
Nah,
Yeah.
I can't do that.
I've seen that term a lot.
I
Trophy wife.
okay.
Like
अरे
Trump's
misogynist
wife.
नहीं बन रहा हूँ मैं. कुछ बोल.
Like Trump's wife, like that. First, you answer. Ki, will a 1 on 10 girl become a 10 on 10 girl for you if she's loaded? Because he said ki it's every guy's wet dream to marry
Yes.
a rich girl.
Yes.
So a 1 on 10 will be a 10 on 10 for you guys.
Yes.
Oh my god.
So you only want to marry rich.
Yes.
That is the
Gold
only
diggers.
criteria.
हाँ,
gold diggers.
तू भाई तू
I
सोच भाई.
just want money.
तू सोच मैं
That
उस
is
पैसे
me.
से हर तरह की लौंडेबाजी कर सकता हूँ, हर तरह की.
So you don't care about the woman you're getting married to. फिर what is the point of the
अरे
marriage?
तो वो तो
When you
तो
have,
sugar babies क्यों नहीं बन जाते हो तुम
when
लोग?
you have millions in the bank, why would you care about the 1 on 10?
Because you want a life with her.
Who said?
तू
If you have
तू-
millions in your bank, why would you
What
want a life with her?
perspectives-
सोच.
I am
What
sorry.
perspectives am I getting?
तू
I am going to
I'm-
put this on your Hinge
I
profiles, okay?
swear to
will
God,
be a
I
trophy
swear.
husband and I'll behave like a trophy husband.
तू ये सोच, अभी वो 1 on 10 है. Obviously उसको प्यार के लिए तो हम उसके पीछे नहीं है. हम पैसे के लिए ही उसके पीछे हैं.
So are you guys saying you can never love a 1 on 10?
No, I would never love a 1 on 10. Only for
Depends.
money I'll marry her.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what is that 1 for? Depends on that.
वो जिम जाती है.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you guys okay with being trophy husbands?
Yeah.
They just
Yes,
said yes.
yes.
You would leave everything. What if your wife says कि भाई you have to cut contact with everybody you have known अभी तक and I will keep you as my trophy husband and you can stay with me forever.
Yeah, including your family. Including
Including
your
your
family.
mom and dad.
Yeah,
DM
everyone.
me. My name is Visma.
Oh my god, Vismay. What are you doing?
मैं इतना नहीं बिका हुआ हूँ. मैं नहीं रह सकता.
We'll move. It is easier to get a promotion as a female in corporate than as a male.
Wrong.
It is wrong.
No.
That's
They-
not how it works.
There is no way this is true because all of the companies के upper management में there's such less women. So there is no way कि this is a true fact.
I think
नहीं but just as a promotion तो एक बेसिक प्रमोशन तो हो सकता है ना, नॉट नेसेसरली कि उसको अपर मैनेजमेंट में ही लेके जाया जा रहा है. आई डोंट अग्री टू दिस बट एट द सेम टाइम आई वुड नॉट से कि हर जगह ऐसा नहीं होता है. ऐसे जगह हैं जहाँ ऐसा होता है.
बेसिक कॉर्पोरेट में तो आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज ट्रू क्योंकि
Even I don't.
मतलब एनीवे इतना पेट्रियार्कल सिस्टम है तो व्हेनेवर लुक एट दिस मैन कि मतलब इट इज सो हार्ड फॉर वुमेन टू एक्चुअली जॉइन द वर्कफोर्स एंड इवन आफ्टर दैट उसमें इतनी सारी दिक्कतें होती है शादी का, देन यू हैव टू मूव एंड ये सब. तो ये सब चीज़ें एम्प्लॉयर्स समझते हैं. तो वो कि इफ this girl wants to get married to some guy and she's going to move out, so they will probably not promote her because they know that she is not going to be a long term asset for me.
But that is a very exceptional case, no? But at the same time, I agree also with you. The reason being कि employers check कि एज कैसी है उसकी, जिसके वजह से कि हाउ सून शील गेट मैरिड. वन सेकंड की अगर मैरिज होगी तो उसको एक मैटरनिटी लीव भी देनी पड़ेगी.
वही.
Which will be I think 8-9 months long.
8 months.
8 months.
6 months, I think, no?
6 months.
6 months post pregnancy.
Any time you can take.
Okay.
I think it's more about how you present yourself. It goes either ways कि लड़की लड़का promotion के लिए, like
Yeah,
looks
exactly.
does matter, how you present does matter. It just doesn't go कि लड़की या लड़का.
मतलब
If
आई
you are
थिंक
going in
जैसे
that
कुछ कुछ
direction.
सेटिंग्स में जैसे हमारा कंपनी है आई डोंट थिंक इतना इस सब का क्वेश्चन होगा यहाँ पे मतलब इट विल बी ओनली वर्क बेस्ड और
Yeah.
मेरिट बेस्ड लाइक दैट पर इफ दिस स्टेटमेंट हम अगर हम लोग पैन इंडिया देखते हैं तो आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज ट्रू कि मतलब इफ दिस वाज ट्रू तो हमें बहुत सारी लड़कियां दिखती इन ग्रेट पोजीशंस अराउंड द वर्ल्ड आल्सो एक्चुअली तो can't make sense to
Yeah,
me.
same. Like I don't believe that women get promoted on this basis just because they are women. Okay.
Hmm.
It's the opposite basically.
Yeah, it's the opposite of that.
Opposite as in?
कि women don't get
Women don't get
promoted.
promoted because
I don't think that is also true.
no, that is true. That is true. In some companies, I've seen like I have some friends and they have faced this issue.
हाँ.
Yeah.
नहीं but since you are generalizing corporate तो corporate में in general ऐसा नहीं होता है which I agree to but if you are giving exceptions like that तो I also know exceptions of corporates जहाँ पे ऐसा होता है कि women are given more preference just because the upper management is shit
Hmm.
और ठरकी है basically upper management और कुछ नहीं तो I'll tell you an exception that happened I know someone she works in a startup I think it's a listed company now she works in that company and she basically got into an affair with her manager which eventually gave her 200% hike
With a promotion?
yeah
Damn.
so that happens
I think it's
to
also
counter this, I've read this a lot. I don't have an opinion yet, but I'm just going to quote that thing that I read. So it is more like कि even casting couch अगर देखा जाए,
Yes.
तो women are brought to a position where you have to do this to get it. Do you see कि you would not get it if you don't follow
Do it.
this route.
Yeah.
yeah.
तो can you blame the woman or can you blame the man? Can you मतलब उस situation में because both of them are willing, so you cannot blame anybody. But क्योंकि the system is only like this. So what do you do?
Astronomer.
I think that was love, guys. Coldplay के concert में जाके तो तुम नहीं करोगे ना मतलब.
you
that's true.
you never know कितना percent hike
that was
मिला है.
not that was a fair okay
Next.
I'll move to the next question it is always the broke guys who think that all girls are gold diggers
True. I believe that.
Why? Like, give me a story.
Quote any example no कि
Like, कि
I
मतलब
had a friend.
कुछ तो हुआ होगा ना कि जैसे उसके लिए तू सोचती है लाइक तेरी दोस्त के साथ या तो किसी के तो साथ हुआ होगा.
हाँ सोचने दो.
मतलब it's mostly those men who wouldn't even pay for the dinner date and they're like कि ओ ये तो मेरे पास बस पैसे के लिए आ रही है कि ओ अच्छा okay do you earn तो something like that any story
Story.
so do you guys agree it is always the broke guys who think women are gold diggers
not always मतलब we cannot generalize like that but हाँ मतलब this happens
how would you characterize a woman as a gold digger like on what basis
Yeah.
that is a good question
Like instantaneous reaction. Like एकदम immediately चिपकली. कि चिपकली क्या?
चिपकली?
क्या? गिरगिट.
chameleon
Again. एकदम ही 2 सेकंड में गिरगिट की तरह बिहेवियर चेंज. Once you reveal the amount you earn, अगर वो पहले आपको रिजेक्ट कर रही है तो इमीडिएटली कलर चेंज, एवरीथिंग चेंज, बिहेवियर चेंज. और अलग से एकदम oh my god you are the best guy in the world just because you have money. It's like instant on the spot. Then you are like yeah, 100% sure gold digger.
Agreed.
Okay.
Okay, I have a comparison for you guys. So Big Bang Theory mein, there's Penny, who is very poor. She's a waitress. And then there's Leonard. Have you seen Big Bang Theory?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've not.
You've not? So Penny is broke and Leonard has money. And Penny always goes to Leonard for all sort of help she needs. And she clearly knows that Leonard loves her.
Yeah.
ठीक है? So there's also this another woman who, do you remember the blind girl who falls in love with Kunal? Raj. So Kunal, the guy, Raj, buys her all sort of stuff. He buys her a TV, a car, everything. So that girl is a clear gold digger. But is Penny also a gold digger then? I think she is.
Sometimes guys also think women are gold digger based upon कि इतना सारा मैं पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ एंड
Return.
व्हेन अ गाय gets to know कि oh my god she is using me, it guys are dumb.
एक second.
It's very late.
Using you for what?
The money.
money.
अच्छा, okay.
Like guys are dumb once they get to understand कि oh she's using me just for money and just showing me here and there affection here and there. That's also like when we claim like gold digger bitch.
Okay,
So
I
what's
have a
the
great question.
bare
Sorry.
minimum, yeah. Like paying for dinner, is it like a
Yeah,
big deal?
100%. Like
100%?
no, not for like for men it's a big deal. Like we have to pay.
Oh, okay.
Even if we are broke, we are going to pay.
It's like bare minimum for me, I think.
Okay.
I like to pay.
Yeah, I would want to split.
हाँ,
but
अगर
depends.
split कर रहे हो
Yeah.
तो मस्त मजा आ गया. But still we'll
But
be
एक
like
second, why not? If it is bare minimum for us, why split for you and why not pay the whole amount?
See, it depends. Like if I am on a first date with somebody and if that guy asks me out, I would rather split than paying the whole bill because
Why?
I did not ask that guy out.
Why?
Why? I just explained.
what,
I did not
what
ask
if like
him.
the date goes awesome, you are in love with this man?
Yeah.
That does not happen on a first date. Please.
Come on,
Please,
like,
please
But what
be
if? We are
realistic.
just
What
talking
No.
hypotheticals, no? What if?
Did not happen to me ever.
But even if it does, I think whoever asked the other person out
Yeah,
is
exactly.
supposed to pay, right?
Yeah.
If I ask her out, so I will pay.
If you asked, Arjita asked another guy out, then who would pay?
I would pay then. If I am actually
The entire
very
amount?
हिचकिचाहट
I would-
तुम्हारी
Even if the
हिचकिचाहट
date did not go well, would
Guys,
you pay
but
the whole
she
amount?
said she will split. So the right question will be,
Yeah.
will you split on that date also?
हाँ, तो that's what I'm saying. Ki, would you split
if
or
that
would you pay the whole
day
amount?
if that date goes well, I would split. If it doesn't,
That's so
Oh,
convenient,
yeah.
no?
If
That's
it-
so convenient.
I did not ask that guy out. Why
No,
should I pay?
I am
No.
painting the situation like that only. You ask the guy out. Would
Acha,
you
okay.
pay on that date, even if the date went
No,
horrible?
I would no. I would split the bill.
And if it went well,
Yeah, I would not mind paying.
the हिचकिचाहट on
No,
her
no, no.
face.
Okay, ठीक है.
no,
I
actually,
have a
actually,
great
no, I
question
wouldn't
for
mind
you.
paying. Yeah.
Ki if guys ka only motive in life is to earn money and be better than all of the men out there, so then is it not fair for women to like them for their money also?
Exactly.
मतलब if you think about it, अगर तुम्हारा सिर्फ एक ही वो है, तो फिर might as well like you for the money only then.
no. The reason being, when two, I'll be a little more philosophical.
Oh, let's
When
go.
two souls unite, it's more of a bond of
I
each
get that.
other
Like, I'm not talking about the
than
connection.
the material thing.
I get it. But if on the first date I see you, I see him, and
Okay.
अगर मुझे पता है कि इसका बैंक बैलेंस 0 है और इसका 10 करोड़ है, तो then मतलब will it not be fair if I go to him since all men want to do is
See,
on money?
yeah, I'll
So
tell
clearly
you.
he's a better.
I'll
guy
tell
to
you. I'll
approach,
tell you.
yeah.
I'll tell you. Here, there is a. Your question is framed based upon कि अगर तुम इतना सारा पैसा तुम अपनी दे रहे हो, like तुम इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हो just to become the top,
हाँ.
come out and top, like have good money. We also want the right woman to handle all those toxic traits. मतलब not in like कि ऐसा बोल रहा, not in like कि we are treating you like shit. But this is a toxic trait as a man कि हमको काम करना है. And a woman who genuinely like कि तू कर, मैं ते खड़ी हूँ यहाँ पे कि तू कर, that makes it much more worthwhile. Then we are like कि भाई तू जितना पैसा लेना है ले, we don't care.
नहीं, but I
Makes
think
sense.
थोड़ा सा digress कर गए conversation से. Conversation was more around कि would you not choose the more rich
Richer
guy?
guy.
ठीक है. Now putting into perspective कि I'll go a little in the past. ठीक है. How people used to think in the ancient times.
Oh.
कि
Prehistoric.
मुझे लगा
ancient
कि
thought.
कुछ तो
I don't- I'm
गड़े
going
मुर्दे निकलने
philosophical.
वाले हैं. गड़े मुर्दे निकलने वाले हैं.
Okay.
कि when people actually used to think in this way कि जो मर्द हैं they are food bringers,
Hunterers.
हाँ, hunters and whatever, they arrange the food
Hunterers.
basically.
Providers, basically.
हाँ, providers,
Yeah.
Hunters, yeah.
riders.
Yep.
And जो women है they are more like caregivers. ठीक है, they nourish the family and everything. Now if a guy is in that times money या currency was power. जो ज्यादा पावरफुल है वो ऊपर है बेसिकली. तो अगर that was currency for men, is not beauty currency for women. क्योंकि तब वही होता था, जो ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल है वो ज्यादा पावरफुल के पास जाएगी, या the more powerful would choose the more beautiful one. If I just counter the question in that way, कि then is it not okay कि अगर जो rich guy है, if he
He'll
has
choose the prettier girl.
more prettier girl,
Yeah. If it is transactional like that, if I am
Yeah.
choosing two men on the basis of their money, and if the men want beauty in return, so if they choose the prettier girl, I think that's okay.
Exactly, which is why I'm saying
Fair
this whole
बात है।
concept is flawed. The reason being कि जब दो लोग मिलते हैं, it's not materials that we look for, it's the person that we look for.
Correct. But I'm saying ki if there are two people of the same personality, everything is same. Only the bank balance is different. So then is it not fair for the woman to choose the richer man?
It's fair. But what if the other guy also has better potential?
So that so is a
मतलब
different.
हाँ,
Yeah,
नहीं, but
that
she's
is the
saying, she's
pure
अभी क्या?
speculation.
अभी
Yeah,
के
yeah.
साथ
मतलब
If
only on
I
the
was a
basis of
woman-
you guys saying कि मतलब it's always competition for men.
हाँ,
Yeah.
So मतलब in that sense, only in that sense of the sentence, I'm saying कि if I'm going for the richer guy, I'm going for the guy who can actually prove it कि yes, I am the better man here. Because I did what all of the men want to do. So in that sense.
हाँ, ठीक है, fair.
Yeah, fair.
But also the richer guy would later choose a more beautiful woman. Okay. Okay, next question. Girls always expect a man to pay on the first date, no matter who asked for it.
No.
No, that is not true. That is not true.
Liar.
You just said that.
Liar.
No.
No, she said she will
I said
pay.
if that guy would want to split, I would want to split too. It is not like, see, if
But
No.
I
Let
get
her-
your
let
point.
her
I get your point.
complete.
I get your point.
Okay.
I agree to that.
Yeah.
You said that.
yeah,
But do you not expect the guy to pay?
I want Vineet. I want
No.
Vineet
That
to edit
silence
this
says it
clip before and after. Please.
Guys, I went on a date 10 years ago.
Okay.
So I have no idea about this, but I don't think women would expect to pay if I asked you out. Matlab, it would be my responsibility. Ki, hello, okay, let's go. I'll buy you coffee, drink.
Then all women are not like you, Sanika. I'm just kidding. Women are great.
He's single.
Let's get back to Arjita.
yo,
Let's get back to Arjita. What now?
Guys, she said she would split both the times.
yeah.
Let her
No.
speak.
If no,
Let
But
her
would you not
speak.
expect?
Girls supporting
you stayed
girls.
silent when I said
No.
that. हाँ कि would you not expect? Subconsciously would you not expect कि हाँ इसको pay करना चाहिए?
करना चाहिए नहीं. अगर कर दे तो like it's good.
हाँ तो
Good for
even that
him.
that expectation is what my question was.
There is no expectation actually. It's like if that guy is paying.
Just say
No,
या
no.
मैं मुझे
I'm
कुछ सुनाई
saying,
दे
I'm
रहा है
saying
इधर
no.
उधर से.
I'm saying that there are no set of expectations. But if a guy pays,
हाँ.
ठीक है, क्या कर सकते हैं? I would ask twice
हाँ.
whether he wants to split the bill.
हाँ.
And if he does not, ठीक है, क्या करूँ मैं?
तो दूसरी बारी बोल दो कर तू ही पे.
So do you guys go on dates thinking कि नहीं, I will only pay no matter if she asked or I
Yeah.
asked?
Yeah, of course.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Just as we accepted, मतलब it's
Cute.
bare minimum for men.
Gentlemen.
Okay, next. If a girl earns more in a relationship, it usually never works. Nice question.
Nice question.
Yeah. Give your opinions. on
I
that.
think that's true. I think that's true because I genuinely feel like कि मुझे हमेशा प्रोवाइड करना है साइकोलॉजिकली कि मुझे हमेशा प्रोवाइड करना है तो मुझे ज़्यादा कमाना पड़ेगा. तो वो या तो मेरी मोटिवेशन खत्म हो जाएगी अगर मेरी बंदी ज़्यादा कमाए तो या तो मैं कंफर्टेबल हो जाऊंगा.
Basically, अगर कोई औरत बहुत ज़्यादा कमाने लगे, and this is specifically in the recent years that I've seen, they become or probably they pose so independent कि मुझे किसी मर्द की भी जरूरत नहीं है. That is not how men are. Even if, and this,
Give me an example of
Yeah.
this.
I cannot cite a name right now, but I've seen this happening over social media a lot. Such women are very rare. That is what I'm trying to prove कि ऐसी ladies out there are very less जो कि ज़्यादा जब कमाती हैं they think from the family perspective. वो वैसा नहीं सोचती हैं. Then they think of कि मैं पहले क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा कमाती हूँ. This is what they think.
बट ये एनालॉजी है कि लाइक अगर लड़की ज्यादा कमा रही है, शी बिकम्स सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड एंड शी बिकम्स दैट इंडिपेंडेंट वुमन की मेरे को बंदा नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ.
दैट आल्सो कम्स विद की पेट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी. ये टेक है मेरा कि उसको बचपन से वैसा बोला गया है कि भाई तू नहीं कर पाएगी, तू नहीं कर पाएगी, तू नहीं कर पाएगी, और वो चटक गई और उसने कर लिया, तो तब वो बोलती है दुनिया को कि अब तू देख, अब तू देख.
Actually, yeah, that's true.
तो आई गेस देन द सेल्फ ऑब्सेशन इज
पर मतलब
Good.
इसी बात पे
Patriarchal.
कि everybody says कि भाई एजुकेशन से एंड व्हेन women earn तो डिवोर्स रेट्स बढ़ जाते हैं, बट मतलब वही कि सेम अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द मैटर कि दे नो देयर राइट्स आफ्टर अ व्हाइल, कि अब
Exactly.
उनको पता चलता है कि ये मैं एक्चुअली कर सकती हूँ. आई डोंट हैव टू लिसन टू माय इन-लॉज जस्ट कॉन्स्टेंटली बॉदरिंग मी, अब्यूजिंग मी इवन मोस्ट केसेस. तो मतलब
It's
I
not
don't
just
think
about leaving the guy, it's about leaving the family also. Okay, that woman, and especially in India, a woman does not marry to a man. She marries to a family. And family is like, Indian families are very toxic.
एंड या आई गेस आई हैव आल्सो सीन मल्टीपल केसेस ऑफ कि अगर लड़की ज्यादा कमा रही है, देयर हैज आल्सो बीन दैट वन इंस्टेंस दैट father killed his daughter just because
Yeah,
she was
yeah,
earning
yes.
she
Yes,
out earning
yes,
him.
yes.
She just got killed.
Yeah.
the
So-
badminton player,
Yes.
no?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that. But matlab, I think this is only a insecurity that men would have. It is not ki the woman becomes arrogant or oh, matlab,
हाँ, because the opposite is supposed to be true. So which is why.
why is it supposed to be true?
Because it has been that way, no? हमेशा से. Okay, next question, guys. Always splitting bills half and half makes a guy instantly less attractive. And this is not just about dates in general, splitting any bill.
That shouldn't be the case. And if that's the case, guys.
No, but depends कि अगर तू चाय का बिल मेरे साथ split कर रहा है जो 30 रुपए का है, तो फिर तो तू चिंदी है.
Exactly. It looks cheap. I believe if I'm buying
चिंदी
something.
bills की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ
नहीं
मैं.
नहीं चिंदी बिल्स नहीं. Like if I'm living with somebody and
Now we are
उसने अगर groceries मंगाई तो he should pay and next time I will pay. Why are we splitting basically?
This is how I'll show you how women think different and men think different. तुमने अभी सेम चीज बोला है, अगर उसने ग्रोसरी स्प्लिट वाइज में डाली होती तो हाफ एन हाफ होता. अगली बार तुम वापस हाफ एन हाफ
split
करते.
wise तक जाना
दोनों
is like-
इक्वली एक बारी दे रहे हो ना.
हाँ तो ये ठीक है ना. This is the better approach.
Both are the same approach is what I'm trying to say.
No,
कि-
it's not. It's like somebody is asking me to pay while I can do the same thing without that person asking me to do it.
How does that make sense?
It does
You're
make
spending
sense.
the same amount of money.
Yeah, which I'm ready to pay. It's not about the money exactly. That's what I'm
Then
saying.
what's it? This is why मैं
This
कह
is
रहा था
about
कि
chivalry.
Yeah.
Men think more
No.
logically. Women think more emotionally.
कि क्यों
if I may
क्यों
say.
नहीं दिया?
हाँ?
नहीं,
क्यों नहीं
it's-
दिया?
अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था
split
मेरे
wise
को.
पे डालना is like a friend would do. A friend who
No,
I'm going
if
out
you-
with ऐसे ही.
If you are in a living relationship, it's very logical to do all your payments split, all of your payments split. And in this split, I would tell you, it's not about कि split मतलब half. I would rather say कि अगर तेरी सैलरी कम है, मेरी थोड़ी ज्यादा है, I might pay a little more, you might pay a little less because I don't want to burden you that way.
Yeah.
But split and keeping track of all the expenses should be there.
Yeah, keeping track of expenses should be there, but asking for your share every time is थोड़ा सा.
Because we
Yeah,
are
But
running
then
a house.
how else will you sustain in a living relationship?
Yeah, you are running a house and you have to sustain that for your entire life. Don't you think building a habit right now would be a better place to start?
Great point.
Good question.
Omkar is a mic drop. It is easier to pursue dreams without thinking about stability as a girl than as a boy.
Yeah. I would say so. Given I'm a person who's left so many jobs, left so many professions and degrees, I think it's easier because it was never on me ki, oh, I need to, provide for my family back home. So I think it is
I do
easier.
I think this question should be like framed like I think this falls on both the genders कि अगर
Yeah.
दोनों privileged खानदान से आते हैं तब तो भाई गंदा एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं दोनों के दोनों.
नहीं, बट स्टिल गिवन दैट आवर सोसाइटी इज पेट्रियार्कल, और कहीं ना कहीं वो एक नोशन बैठा हुआ है दिमाग में कि इवेंचुअली, एंड स्पेशली इंडियन हाउस होल्ड्स में, ठीक है, एंड दिस इज रिगार्डलेस ऑफ कि अगर वो बड़ा खानदान है या छोटा खानदान है, ठीक है. मतलब आई हैव हर्ड रियली रिच फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइन एंड विमेन कि तुम्हारा एज हो गया, चलो शादी करना है. शी अर्न्स एंड पॉसिबली शादी के बाद उसका वो स्ट्रीम भी बंद हो जाएगा. तो आई हैव सीन दैट हैपनिंग. सो इट इज रिगार्डलेस ऑफ जेंडर,
मतलब I
और
think-
सॉरी, नॉट रिगार्डलेस ऑफ जेंडर,
Privilege.
रिगार्डलेस ऑफ देयर प्रिविलेज.
आई थिंक इट्स ऑल्सो लाइक दैट कि अच्छा ठीक है, नौकरी कर लेती हूँ, ये कर लूंगी, वो कर लूंगी, वो कर लूंगी, कुछ नहीं हुआ तो शादी कर लूंगी यार, पति तो पैसे कमा लेगा.
थैंक यू.
तो इट्स दैट आइडिया कि लड़कों का ये थोड़ी हो सकता है, अगर मैं एक लड़का हूँ और मैंने सब चीज में फेल कर लिया तो आई कांट से कि मैं शादी कर लूंगा, क्योंकि मेरे से अरेंज मैरिज कौन करेगा फिर, क्योंकि जो दूसरे पार्टी है वो तो बोलेगा कि साले कमाता कितना है तू. तो
But I've seen men who don't do nothing and still उनकी शादी हो जाती है क्योंकि उनके बाप के पास बहुत पैसा है.
पर
हाँ.
देन इट्स ऑलवेज कि वो बिजनेस संभाल रहा है ना उनका.
नहीं, वो कुछ कर भी नहीं रहा है, बट उसका फैमिली नेम काफी अच्छा है.
But that percentage is very low, I feel,
Could be.
because a self-respecting woman would also not accept such a man.
Earlier what used to happen, जिसके पापा के पास ज्यादा
दौलत.
क्या बोलते हैं,
दौलत,
नहीं,
अशरफियाँ.
जमीन
जिसके
जमीन.
पापा के पास ज्यादा जमीन होती थी उसी को, मतलब उसकी शादी हो जाती थी उसके बेटे की. तो इन दैट सिचुएशन ये तो क्वेश्चन ही रेलेवेंट है.
मुझे तो लगता है कि लड़कियों के पास
खारिज.
हमेशा
खारिज.
ऑप्शन आउट होता है ना कि हाँ कर लूंगी शादी और क्या.
ऐसा हो सकता है कि मर्दों को इट डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ दे आर एजिंग. जैसे जैसे एज होते हैं उनको लगता है कि हाँ भाई थोड़ा कम एक्सपेरिमेंट करना चाहिए, थोड़ा स्टेबल होना चाहिए, बिकॉज मुंह दिखाना है, शादी करनी है. कुछ लड़कियों के लिए होता है कि लास्ट ऑप्शन शादी ही कर लेंगे, तो आई जस्ट नॉट एक्सपेरिमेंट.
मतलब
I guess
ऑल्सो
it
कि
starts
लड़कियां
at the same pace. It starts at the same pace, but boys का थोड़ा फिर trickle down हो कि let me set up my foundation first to
मतलब
marry.
वो अनफॉर्चुनेटली बिकॉज दिस एग्जिस्ट्स एंड प्रीनप्स इन इंडिया डोंट एग्जिस्ट, तो वो हो सकता है ना कि आई कैन एक्सपेरिमेंट फॉर लॉन्गर एंड अगर कुछ नहीं होता मेरी शादी भी नहीं चलती, आई विल स्टिल गेट हाफ हिज प्रॉपर्टी.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Oh my god!
नॉट मी.
It's a bold statement to give.
तो
Alright guys, that was the last question. I was genuinely hoping कि ऐसा boys versus girls हो रहा था, ऐसा फुल मुक्केबाजी होगी, मुक्का मारना एक दूसरे को, but fortunately और unfortunately that did not happen.
Yo.
क्यों?
I think कहीं ना कहीं कोर में हम लोग सब ऐसा फेमिनिस्ट हैं कि
Yeah.
लेट्स गो.
सब साथ में ऐसा ग्रो करते हैं.
Omkar is a big time feminist.
लेट्स गो.
Love you, Omkar.
Because I smoke.
What?
क्या?
Yeah, there is a very interesting.
This is brand new information. I
This
did
is
not know
actually
this.
feminism. The whole word of feminism was invented because Marlboro wanted to advertise cigarettes to women.
Yeah. That I know, but
Yes.
अच्छा, so you smoke
That's why
because
I
you're a
was-
Oh
feminist.
my
Yes.
god.
Oh.
Damn.
All right. With that said, thank you so much for coming in, Omkar, Sanika, Arjita, and that's your host Vishme. Thank you so much, guys.
Bye.